Can you think about the last time you told someone about how you felt in that particular moment? Or do you remember telling someone about a person whom you recently met, whether you felt good or bad? What kind of words did you use to describe that moment or that person? What comes handy over here when you're describing a moment or a person or a thing? Yes, we use adjectives over here because adjectives are describing words and they describe nouns or pronouns. What kind of words do you use to express your feelings? Chances are that you can categorize them into negative or positive feelings. These words play a very important role in English language. So if you have a good knowledge of adjectives, positive and negative, you can improve your English language drastically. Without noun describers, which are adjectives, they describe nouns and pronouns, it is very, very difficult for a person to make the other person understand what he wants to say or express his feelings. Now, what is great about these descriptive words? The best thing about these descriptive words is you can use them in any way you want. Whichever word you feel is describing or you can express your feelings with, you can use them as per your convenience. If you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you continue watching this video till the very end to learn how many good and bad adjectives there are and how effectively we can make use of them in our conversation and writing. You can use both positive and negative adjectives in your conversation and in your writing. So let's dive in quickly and see how we can use positive and negative adjectives in our conversation and writing. There are some descriptive words which evoke good kind of a feeling, and there are some adjective words which evoke or which produces bad kind of a feeling. So let's categorize the words into good and bad feeling. Examples of positive adjectives.
Positivity is contagious. One thing is for certain. Words have something to do with that. It might be because good feelings surround positive words. So positive words play a very important role in our life. If you read a list of negative adjectives, you are certain to feel differently about it than a list of positive ones. List of positive adjectives: affectionate, agreeable, amiable, bright, and charming. If you're affectionate, you show your love or fondness for another person in the way that you behave towards them. How can we use affectionate adjective in a sentence? He is very affectionate towards his children. If you are agreeable, you are pleasing to the mind or senses, especially as according well with one's tastes or needs, an agreeable companion, an agreeable change. In a sentence, we spent a most agreeable couple of hours together. If you are amiable, you are friendly or sociable. Sentence: she had an amiable personality, always ready with a kind word and a smile. If you are bright, you are quick at learning things. How to use the word bright in a sentence? I was convinced that he was brighter than average. If you are charming, you behave in a friendly, pleasant way that makes people like you. In a sentence, he can be charming to his friends.
Examples of negative adjectives.
Aloof, boastful, detached, hedonistic, and impatient. Let's use them in a sentence. If you are aloof, you are distant or detached from others, keeping others at a distance. Sentence: he kept himself aloof from all party strife. If you are boastful, you tend to brag about your accomplishments, possessions, or abilities. No one liked my rich friend's boastful attitude about his money. If you're detached, you're not interested in another person's problems or welfare. You are free of concern. In a sentence, she spoke in a normal, detached tone, which means she was not interested in the other person's problems or welfare. If you're a hedonist, you seek in your own pleasure, or you are essentially self-indulgent. In a sentence, my brother is a hedonist who likes to party all night. If you are impatient, you are lacking in patience, or you get easily irritated. Sentence, she grew impatient, waiting for her husband to return. Now you can try using these adjectives in sentences.